Good morning. Okay, so today is Doctrine and Covenants, section 113, verses 1 through 5. And the date is March 1838, Far West, Missouri. It is for the world, and the prominent doctrine or theme is Isaiah chapters 11 and 52. So, shortly after Joseph gets to Far West, some brethren have some questions concerning Isaiah. And so he takes the questions to the Lord, and that is what this section is. Question and answer. The explanation of this section, or what's in it, is so convoluted. I was reading it, I was like, they're like, stem could mean this, and stem could mean this, and rod and root, I was like, okay. Anyways, well, the stem of Jesse does not refer to the family of David, but is specifically in reference to Christ, who comes from both the rod and the branch. The stem of Jesse represents the crucified Christ, or son of David, who was rejected by his own. Out of the lifeless body of the crucified Jesus is raised up the living, exalted Christ. Recognizing Christ as both the stump/stem and the branch contrasts his death with his resurrection, his first coming with his second coming. Thus Christ is both the dead stump and the living branch. Concerning the rod of Jesse, the latter-day servant in the hands of Christ will be descended both from Jesse in the tribe of Judah and from Joseph through the tribe of Ephraim. The name of this servant is not mentioned, but it would be difficult to conclude it was any other than Joseph Smith himself. Joseph Smith is identified with the rod in 2 Nephi 3:17. The root of Jesse can also be seen as the prophet Joseph Smith. The root of Jesse, also like the rod, means the descendant of both Joseph and Jesse. This cannot be Christ, who descended from the royal line of Judah, and not from Joseph. Rather, it is likely the same servant who is the rod, Joseph Smith. I don't know. That just seemed a little convoluted to me first thing in the morning. I need a new mattress or something. Alright. That's all I have for today, because in the first 5 verses, it's just question and answer. And even though they're truth, I felt no need to highlight them. And I also found no inspiring words, and I had no questions. Alright, so, that was section 113, verses 1 through 5, and tomorrow we will do 6 through 10. I will see you then.